YouTube. It's your boy Son. It's early in the morning, about 6:30. Just getting off work. Feel like I've been knocked out. I probably was. Today is see if we can replace Faucet Day. Alexa, turn on bright basement light. Let's calm these tigers down with a quick meal. I need water, yep. Tigers. All right, so there's the faucet, the carpet. This thing pops off. Like you just move that. Here's the one I got. Homeworks look like the same thing. Looks almost exactly the same, actually. I got these things. Supposed to help out, I guess. You know. I know the first step is cutting the water off. My water system is, of course, behind that door that's blocked off. So let me cut this off and I'll see you guys later. So water's off, but it doesn't seem to be off. Let me try upstairs. All right, it's definitely off. I guess I gotta, still a drip. It's not off. I gotta probably squeeze that thing a little tighter. A little tighter. Not too tight. Let's see if that worked. Definitely a drip. You see something. I don't want to keep squeezing on this. Maybe it's gonna drip. I don't know. It's a drip. So this thing stayed on. I flipped these switches too, and it finally cut off. So I gotta find a bucket or something. I mean, I guess I'm good with this sink right here. Let me go get a bucket. right, it looks good. Open these things up, see if I got the right pieces. Got them things here. All right, looking at this, probably gonna make a bigger one. So, I don't feel like it's in it. Man, that thing look crazy. Why it's hot? What the fuck? Got that one. This gonna be hard, man. I only say that because it's so rusted. Know about them. You might not be putting original stuff on. Tab. Let me go get a tab. That ain't coming. Body hot though. What the fuck? It's cold. me see if I can possibly twist it off. Looking like I can. To the side or something. I swear it's not in there. It's off. I swear I might not be able to get that. Ain't working. Fuck! Video real quick. So peep, the motherfucker didn't fit on the sink, had to pry that bitch. Couldn't get them bolt joints off at the front. So I had to use the old ones. But we gonna see if it worked. The finished product, it was a hard job, took about 3-4 hours, ended up calling the plumber, but moms came to helped out, cleaned off the joints, we popped them off. Couldn't pop this one, it was too hard. I ended up stripping the original joint, so we had to use the new one, you know what I'm saying? But we got it on, you know. We was having problems with the water wouldn't cut off, you know. Yeah, but anyway, saved about $1,000 doing it ourselves.